This is the ponytail, and this is the dark blonde colour. And what we're going to do, this little claw goes over, just over the band, and then this velcro goes round, and then we wrap round and cover what we've been up to. So that goes over the hair and goes in like that, and then we wrap that round nice and tightly, and then we hide the join with the wraparound. And then we just secure it with a bobby pin. So it goes in nicely there. And there we have one ponytail in. And if we swish it over the shoulder, there you go. One more piece in.